Well, today is a hoot. I had to run to Fleet Farm to get some chemical to clean the water tank in my camper, the freshwater tank. And on the way back, I took this gravel road, which goes around the park here. It's one of the Three Rivers parks, and it's Lake Murphy, or Murphy Lake, I guess, however you want to run it. But it's basically a kayaking lake. It's not really a swimming lake or anything like that. But I threw the drone up in the air and floated around and found some kayakers. Got some horsey-back riders. This is a nice area for recreational bicycles, horses, and kayaks and that kind of thing. And it's a nice gravel road. Very scenic, which is nice. To the left here, that's all basically bike trails. And I think to the right is hiking trails and that kind of thing. And we're not too far from the Metro Minneapolis area. I'm only maybe 15 miles away. So this is, I think, basically, I'm not too sure if this is Savage or if this is Burnsville. I think it's Burnsville. You can see where the horses come from. I guess personally I like motorcycles better than horses. You don't have to clean up after a motorcycle, and when they're parked you don't have to feed it. We used to have horses on the farm briefly, and they were a lot of work, but ours were work horses. They were used in the fields and pulling wagons, that kind of thing. And that was when I was really young. I was probably 5 years old at the time. Sam and Sandy, those are the last two horses my dad had. I saw down the road here there was a broken barn that was pretty much caving in, so I'm going to toss the drone up and fly over that thing real quick. Hopefully I won't shake up the neighborhood too bad. Alright, we'll give this a shot. Well, there I got the barn, which you can see right there is not looking the best. Yeah, I'll do a flyover from here.